Good morning, guys. I'd like to read you from the Study Bible, 1 Peter 5, verses 6 to 9. Humble yourselves, therefore, under God's mighty hand, that he may lift you up in due time. Cast all your anxieties on him, because he cares for you. Be self-controlled and alert. Your enemy, the devil, prowls around like a roaring lion, looking for someone to devour. Resist him. Stand firm in the faith, because you know that your brothers throughout the world are undergoing the same kind of sufferings. We're all going through sufferings. The stronger you are in faith, the more you're going to suffer. But eventually God is going to come down. Jesus is going to send his Son to take you to the Holy Land.